Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out a wireless CarPlay adapter. Seller sent me this to check out, so let's go ahead and check this out. Alright, so here is the product right here. Here is the user manual on how to connect this product. So here is the device right here. And as you could see, these CarPlay adapters are getting really small. I remember the one I had just last year where it was about this big and they had a wire coming out. So as you could see, the technology is getting better and better for these devices. A whole lot of space saving here. And it's just a USB-A connection right here. It's clear up here and it has holes to disperse the heat. Really compact design. This will definitely, once you plug it in, stays out of the way, doesn't cause any clutter, just stays out the way. And you have cap right here. All right, so I'm in the vehicle. Here's the product right here, USB-A connection. All right, so here is the connection right here. And as you can see, it lights up right here. And the CP1 also lights up right here. So that's pretty cool. The device connected. This came up on my screen. So I'm gonna hit continue right here. Hit agree right here. This screen comes up right here. I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth, and as you can see, it does come up right here. CP1 16DC, same as right here. Gonna go ahead and connect that. So your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi have to be turned on. And as you can see, hit pair right here. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. You hit allow right there. And it's gonna ask you to connect. And there you go. Very quick and seamless connection. And it is wireless. As you can see, it is wireless. No wires here. And you saw how quick this was to connect. Now that everything is connected, you do not have to go through this process again. Now that your phone is connected through Bluetooth and you have your Wi-Fi on, no issues anymore. So when you go ahead and stop the vehicle, I have shut down the vehicle. And when I'm ready to go, here's my phone. Boom, there it is. Now, as you can see how easy that was, shut the car down, left the car, came back, started back up, connected right away. Very seamless, easy wireless connection. So if you're looking for a wireless CarPlay adapter, check this one out.